The FF01 series of emergency stop switches from NKK present a low-profile pull and twist e-stop with 16mm body diameters. This series of emergency stop, or e-stop switches, offer one of the industry's shortest behind panel depth in its 16mm class, offering both pull or twist reset options. With its innovative sliding latch off-state mechanism, which is resistant to chatter vibration and shocks, this e-stop switch solution is ideal for applications requiring a dependable, fail-safe control response. Cap sizes ranging from a diameter of 25mm to 30mm are available. Other accessories include a socket wrench, a protective guard, and nameplates either with an emergency stop legend or no legend at all.